I think the coolest feature on iOS 16 is the ability to customize the iPhone lock screen, and you can see here I have the 3D effect here, and here this is a must download app that I can recommend you. On the App Store it is free, but sometimes you're gonna see this ad, but it is okay because it is a free app. I can go ahead and swipe through the wallpaper that I want to set it on my iPhone lock screen. So they look very beautiful, and let me save this one, and then I can watch an ad in order to save this wallpaper, and it is not that bad with this application. Now after that, let me close this one, and I can set it and I can save it into my camera roll. Now if I go back into my photo here, and then here is the wallpaper that I have just downloaded and saved at the moment. But what the cool thing about this one, if I set it as a wallpaper, you kind of see the 3D effect on my iPhone. You can see here, so you can see it look very awesome. Let me click on done, and I can set it as my wallpaper, including the lock screen and the home screen as well. Now after I click on done, and you're gonna find this amazing live wallpaper. Now let me show you how to download. What you're gonna do is to go into the App Store, and then you're gonna search for Depth Effect Wallpaper, and here's the app that you can download. It is completely free and it has 5-star rate, and I hope you like it, and then we'll see you guys in the next one.